I have created a review for documentation for style and terminology consistency. So that is my problem statement. And the solution that I came up with is a Claude skill that scans the documentation for style guide and adherence and terminology consistency, and it generates an HTML report detailing what needs correction. So this is the name of the skill, Microsoft Docs Style Review. The purpose is to review the technical documentation against MSTP. The input is a markdown file, and output is a detailed HTML report with inline reviews and concrete rewrite suggestions. And this proof of concept requires manual intervention to accept the changes, and this reduces the time that is spent on the reviews and revision. So this is the link for my Git repository. It's a public repository which has this README, the skill. The skill README details, how this is used, what skill is used, and what is the example workflow. Let's get into the demo. Here in Cloud Code, I have launched the skill and I'm giving a markdown file as the input. And I have cut down the video because it was taking a long time to process. So configuring.md is the file that I've given as the input. And this will generate an HTML file. And that will list, like you can see, you open the HTML report in a default browser. So when I open that, it'll give me a list of here it gave 3 errors, 5 warnings, and flagged whatever is necessary. The first one here it says is, after title, why this title is redundant, that can be removed, and so on and so forth, where you should have H2 after H1. So that is another suggested thing. And in one of the sections after the heading, the introductory line was missing. So that has also been flagged. And the active and passive voices have also been flagged. And at the end of this, it gives a priority roadmap, that what are the critical fixes, high fixes, medium fixes, and the optional fixes, and what is the overall assessment for this report. And what we can do after this is go ahead and manually fix this. You give the command fix the errors and it'll show the original file and what it is suggesting. And once you accept it, the change is done in the file. So this is a very basic skill that I have designed. Though we learned a lot of concepts from scratch, like understanding commands, skills, agents, MCPs, so on and so forth. But I'm still learning the implementation of all this at my own pace and slowly getting there. So here, the learning that I've applied is prompt engineering and the Claude skills that I learned as part of the workshop. So thank you. Thank you, Aman, for this workshop and sharing all the knowledge that we could possibly get. And you have exceeded our expectations, at least my expectations. And thank you, Puneet, for giving us this